This old guy DIY video has to do with the technique that I use to make landscape edging rigid when you install it. So a hot chick that I know is separating two types of different rock in her backyard, and she asked me to take the edging and put it in place for her. So the normal technique is to cut the stuff to length, use those little stakes along the edges, and hope that it kind of holds together. But my preferred technique is when you have one piece that's longer than you need. In this case, the long sides are 8 feet, the short side is going to be 5 feet, and this piece of material is 6 feet. So I came in 6 inches from each end and I marked it. Then I go to my working man's press brake. I bend the ends of the 6-footer like that. When it comes time to assemble, I'll take the long piece, tuck it in like that, and I'll put about 4 rivets through there, and then I'll have a nice rigid frame that I can go and drop in where she wants it. We'll move the stones around and then use the little pins on the inside and these brackets to hold the long side where it belongs. And since there's going to be material both inside and outside of this little frame, really it doesn't take any force. It's just a matter of squaring it up and putting it in place. To bend the material, I just marked 6 inches from the end on this piece that was 6 feet long. And then I used my working man's press brake here. I just had a piece of aluminum channel, and I'm using this trailer tongue. So I just used C-clamps to attach the aluminum channel, and then I bent this 6-foot piece up and just took a hammer and whacked it a few times down here to make my bend. So I'll do that 3 more times and we're ready to assemble the frame. I take the 6-foot piece and I just align my mark here, and then I'll just pick up out here and bend the thing up in a nice smooth action. Now I have both ends bent, ready for rivets. Well, my lovely assistant helped me carry this thing back to her backyard, and I put it in place. We squared it up a little bit. I just drove a couple of these stakes in, 2 on each of the 8-foot sides, and on the ends, since it has that red rock on the outside, it'll have white rock on the inside. There's really no need for me to put any stakes on the end. Since we'll have rock on both sides, it doesn't take any force to speak of. I think it kind of looks like a sandbox, but it does what she was looking for. She's going to pull the rock up a little closer to the edge so it doesn't have that 1-inch standing proud condition. But she said she's satisfied, so I'll call it good. I got some number 6 drain stone to be her contrasting color. And here we have 3,000 pounds of number 6 drain stone that cost me a whopping $28, including tax, at our local quarry. This is what the finished rock work looks like after putting that metal landscape frame in. So she has the contrasting color she wants, and with the ends riveted together, it was a nice easy operation to put it in place. So she says she's satisfied with the outcome. We'll call it a victory. Thanks for watching and have a good day.